Introduction. When life feels stuck, your mind feels restless, or you sense negative energy around you, what you need is focus and the right spiritual tools. Today, we'll talk about two of the most powerful ways to invite strength and protection into your life: the Chandi Yantram and the Siddha Kunjika Stotram. Think of the yantra as the body, the mantra as the breath, and Devi as the soul. When used together, they bring balance, peace, and courage. Understanding the Chandi Yantram. The Chandi Yantram is not just a design, it is a sacred diagram that represents Devi Chandi, the fierce and protective form of the Divine Mother. People who keep this yantra near their place of prayer often feel calmer and stronger. It helps remove fear, brings clarity, and protects the home or place where it is kept. The Chandi Yantram is believed to remove unseen obstacles and clear negative energy from your surroundings. It helps the mind become peaceful and confident, and it improves focus. Many people notice that their work relationships and finances start improving naturally once they begin worshipping with sincerity. The design of the yantra itself has deep meaning. The upward triangles represent Lord Shiva's energy, consciousness, and the downward triangles represent Devi's energy, power. When they meet, they form a six-pointed star that shows perfect balance. Around the center, the lotus petals represent courage, wisdom, and purity. The outer square, called the Bhupura, acts like a boundary that blocks negativity. At the very center, the small dot or Bindu represents Devi's energy, the point from which everything begins. This video is meant for informational purposes only. One must not take up these practices unless guided by an authorized guru from an authentic parampara system. This video is only meant to spread knowledge about yantras and various chants that have the capabilities to transform an individual for the better. If you look softly at the dot while chanting, it helps you connect with her presence inside you. The Chandi Yantram works best when combined with mantras like Om Aim Hreem Kleem Chamundai Viche. This sound connects your energy to Devi's vibration. A yantra must be treated with respect. It becomes powerful when it is blessed by a guru or when it is used with sincere devotion. If you want to keep a Chandi Yantram, place it on a red cloth, preferably made on Bhojpatra, a special sacred bark. The best time to worship it is early morning during Brahma Muhurta around 4 am to 6 am. Light a lamp and keep the space clean. You are not just keeping a symbol, you are inviting Devi's presence into your life. The Siddha Kunjika Stotram, the key to Devi's grace. The Siddha Kunjika Stotram is a short but very powerful prayer from the Rudra Yamala Tantra. It was revealed by Lord Shiva to Devi Parvati. Just as a key opens a lock, this stotram opens the full power of the Durga Saptashati, Chandi Path. Even if you don't have time to chant the full Durga Saptashati, chanting the Siddha Kunjika Stotram with devotion gives the same blessings. It helps remove negative thoughts, fears, and problems. It improves focus and brings peace of mind. People who chant it regularly feel a shield of protection around them. The stotram contains many bijaksharas or sacred seeds like sounds like Aim, Hreem, and Kleem. Each of these sounds is filled with energy and represents a part of the goddess. When you chant them correctly, you are not just speaking words, you are inviting the living energy of Devi. This prayer should always be chanted with respect. It is best to learn the correct pronunciation from a guru or teacher. You can chant it once daily or 3 times on special days like Tuesday, Friday, Ashtami, or during Navratri. A simple daily routine. Here's a simple way you can start this practice. Choose a quiet corner and keep it clean. Place the Chandi Yantram on a red cloth and light a lamp. Sit comfortably, close your eyes and take 9 slow breaths. Chant Om Aim Hreem Kleem Chamundai Viche 11 times. Read or recite the Siddha Kunjika Stotram once. Sit silently for 2 minutes and feel peaceful. Offer 1 flower to Devi and thank her for protection. You don't need to do this for hours. 5 to 10 minutes daily is enough if done sincerely. What matters is faith and consistency, not length. Conclusion. Both the Chandi Yantram and the Siddha Kunjika Stotram are powerful tools that connect you directly to Devi Chandi's energy. The yantra gives a physical form to her energy, while the stotram gives it voice and movement. When you use both together, you create a strong field of positivity and protection in your life. If you feel a connection to Devi Chandi, start small. Keep a yantra near your prayer space, chant the stotram daily, and let her presence bring strength, clarity, and courage into your life. This is true spiritual success when peace and protection become a part of your everyday living.